Hello everyone, my name is Natalia Andrea Gomez Martinez and I'll be describing a room using there is, there are, and some of the prepositions like in, and, under, next to, and behind. This is part of the Unit 1 Task 4 Speaking Production. My tutor is Fulton Palacios and my English group is 292. This is my bedroom. There is a small bed in my bedroom. There is a blue blanket in my bed. There are 7 pillows in my bed. Under the bed, there is a blue carpet. In front of my bed, there is a closet. I usually keep my makeup, my clothes, and my shoes on it. Next to the closet, there is a big window. I can see the city through the window. Behind the bed, there are 4 beautiful pictures on the wall. There are 2 nightstands at each side of the bed. There is a lamp in the right nightstand. There's also 2 small pictures and some of my favorite books in the nightstand. There is a small table next to the nightstand. There are flowers in the table. Thank you very much. I hope you like it.